It's the second most anticipated week of quiz.
Welcome to Schools Challenge Quiz penultimate week, aka the semi-showdown. I'm Andre Steen.
And I'm Monet Flowers. TVJ brings you the semi-finals matches live starting today. The Fierce Four have fought hard throughout the season, and this is their last chance to play for a spot in the grand final.
This week will feature not just the semis, by the way, but the Masters match and our entertainment quiz, which will be extremely entertaining. We'll also have 2019 highlights, sponsors match, and the third place playoffs.
Yup, this week is gonna be lit, and I already have my predictions, just waiting on you to announce it.
Alright, I'm ready, but before we get into the predictions, can you at least tell the people who will be playing and when, please?
Alright, my dear, take it away.
Okay, so as we mentioned earlier, both semis will be played at 8:35 p.m. Tonight is a clash of the St. Catherine crew. Old Harbour meets St. Jago in the semis, number 1. Then tomorrow, Kingston College quizzes go up against the Monroe College team.
Yup, and since the matches will come to you live from studios at around 8:35 p.m, the entertainment and sponsors matches will fill the 6:30 p.m. slots tonight and tomorrow, respectively. Be sure to check those out and see some of your favorite celebrities in action.
Alright, let's take a closer look at the school's journey to this round.
Nice. First up, Old Harbour High. Old Harbour played Fern Court in round 1, beating the team 61-16. Then in round 2, the Carteret went down to Old Harbour 37-23. Round 3 saw Old Harbour sending Maggotty back to school on final scores of 25-18. And their quarterfinals victim was Central High, who went down to 22 to Old Harbour's 37.
Now for St. Jago. The 2018 finalists first competed with Homewood, where they won 62-18. Their next target was Meadowbrook High, who was defeated 33-21. Knox was next to be knocked out by St. Jago. St. Jago won that match 35-15. St. Jago then went on to defeat Campion College 40-43.
Jago is coming in on.
I'm
They're
sorry,
not
but
playing
I'm too
around.
early to say that I'm Team Jago. Can I say that?
Just keep it
no?
low key for now. Like, let's get through the matches first. Alright. It's time to turn the spotlight on Kingston College. The 11-time champions are trying to turn that 11 into 12 this year. Casey's first match this season was against St. James High, who went down to the Brave Boys 58-1. Then they turned their attention to Hampton High. That match ended 34-21. Casey moved on to Manning's in round 3, beating them 39-25. Calabar High was the next target, and they went down to Kingston College 33-27.
Yes, Monroe is on a mission to reclaim the title, and they just might do it this year. The round 1 match was between Yellas High with scores 37-0. Then they played Women's Girls with scores 41-25. They picked up similar scores in their match against Glenmore, which ended 41-24. Monroe then took out Arden High 31-28.
Okay, so with all of those stats, I'm ready to give my predictions.
Okay, go on, take it away.
I'm giving semis number 1 to St. Jago. I think they will come through. Old Harbour will not give it up easily, but I think St. Jago is coming to prove something this season. We'll just have to tune in to find out.
And for the second match, what's up? What's up?
Hey, that's a tough one. Like, what you say?
Alright, it's not really a biased thing, but KC will fall to Monroe. Sorry, it's the truth. Yeah.
And I think I should never asked you anything. Wow.
And I appreciate your predictions, but I still think it's time to throw the school features in. So how about we tell them where we visited recently?
Old Harbour High and Kingston College.
Take a look and guess where we are today.
We're at none other than the Old Harbour High School. What are we going to do, Skinny?
We're going to do the usual, speak to the quiz team and the coaches and see what's going on here at Old Harbour.
All right, let's go.
Access, wait.
My name is Stallone, and I'm a captain of the Wallaby School Challenge Quiz team.
My name is Maurice Miller, and I'm a member of the Old Harbour High School Challenge Quiz team.
My name is Juliet, and I'm a member of the Old Harbour High School Quiz team.
My name is Stallone, and I'm a member of the Old Harbour High School Quiz team.
I am Barbara Graham, Senior Vice Principal at Old Harbour High School.
So we're here at Old Harbour High School and we have the quiz team with us. So tell us, what's the feeling like going into the semis?
Feeling in winning the match is quite fair on our side.
We are really excited, the parents are excited, the business community is excited, and the students especially are extremely excited for the quiz team. They follow the matches very closely, including the parents, and when we're on the street, we get the feedback.
What are you guys doing differently from last year compared to this year?
Obviously, it's more work and more trying to find our weak points and trying to strengthen.
Tell me, there has to be a reason that the team has made it this far. What do you see in them? What do you think of this year's team?
Our students are resilient. They are brilliant students. They don't give up at all, and they're willing to put the work in. And we really appreciate that, because that is what has made them so successful so far.
So tell me a little bit more about your relationship with the guys here. What's that like? Is it like a brotherhood, or are you guys not really friends outside of quiz?
Well, yes, I'll say a brotherhood. We all love each other as brothers. Well, there's no sister in the camp, but we all treat each other. We all treat each other equally at all times. Sometimes we get trouble, of course. Obviously, in our relationship. So yeah, we all have a good relationship.
We're pretty good, and we study together.
As you know, Old Harbour is celebrating this year. At the end of this year, we would have completed 50 years as a high school. So it would be wonderful. We would be very happy to have not only 50 years of existence, but the School's Challenge Quiz Trophy to celebrate that 50 years of existence.
What's the vibe like at the school though?
Well, all of us have a strong vibe, so the vibe is awesome, to tell the truth. Awesome. 2 years in a row, semi-finals. It's not a surprise to us because we have been there already. The vibe of the school is very positive for us.
Alright, so tell me, is there anything that anyone has said to you that you found was profound? Maybe a family member, someone from the school community that has given you advice?
After playing the quarterfinals, we haven't been out that much, so we haven't get any talk from anyone to see if we are getting any advice.
Okay, alright, so you guys have made it this far. There must be something that you guys maybe do before a match, or some technique that you guys have that really gets you through the season. So is there anything you want to share with us?
No, the only technique we use are commonly the most is basically prayer and have faith and push through. So,
okay. Alright, so tell me about the relationship with your coach. What's that like?
Oh, there's a laughter.
What's the joke, guys? Close in.
He's basically another one of our brothers. We all treat each other equally. We don't have a coach going around being coachy or strict. We treat everybody equally. We all laugh together, we all play together, we do all type of things together. So yeah, we treat him as a brother, and he treats him as a brother as well, one of his close friends.
Okay, alright. So that's studying all the time, schoolwork all the time.
No fun.
No fun.
Yeah.
So it's clear that Old Harbour is coming for the trophy.
All out for the win.
Well, there you have it.
This is Access.
Big baller, caught my Benzema. Goal for me neck, nah give me eczema. Big baller, caught my Benzema. Anyway you see me, you have to see 10. AC cool, turn up the temperature. With a pretty girl, be favor Shensia. Baller, caught my Benzema. More money make her, more money spend quicker. Myself so, Jenna full of style, who no can't cope. Myself so.
Dave Myrie, principal of Kingston College, been principal since 2012.
Hello, my name is Juliet Wilson. I'm vice principal at Kingston College, and I'm the manager for the quiz team.
The reception so far has been pretty great. Understand that anytime a quiz team goes into action, the whole school's behind our quiz team. Well,
I've been working with the quiz team since 1998, so 21 years.
Okay, awesome. So you would have seen quiz teams come and go. What do you think is so special about this one this year to take home the championship?
Well, there are similarities to several teams that have won in the past. They have all the qualities, the dedication, the knowledge, the skill. They are very confident, and I see the same qualities in past winning teams.
All right, so I'm here with the brave boys of Kingston College, and I'm not in camouflage by accident. We're going to war. So boys, tell me, what is the vibe like, and what are you guys bringing to School Challenge Quiz this year?
Well, as it relates to the vibe, we can say that Kingston College this year is very focused, as we're hoping to lift the trophy this year. And to be very honest, we're not going in with all this enthusiastic vibe. We're just being humble because we believe patience, okay?
We took it home for the 40th, we took it for the 45th. I think it's just fitting that we take it for the 50th as well. I think we have a good team. Guys have worked hard, they're very focused, good coaches around them as well, and I think we have all the ingredients to make it to the finals. And we're just willing our boys to just do what needs to be done. As they say, the brave may fall but never yield, and we're never ever gonna yield. We're gonna push through to the end.
Well, I think that this year's team is very strong.
They have worked very hard this year. They started training a month earlier than usual, and because they were determined that this year they wanted to bring it home. Obviously being motivated by the fact that we have won the 40th anniversary and the 45th, and they say the 50th, we are the winningest team in the competition, we need to win the 50th anniversary.
I stand in the capacity of the deputy head boy, firstly I must make mention. And the vibe is actually very good. We have a lot of support as usual. Definitely the persons have great things to say about the quiz team this year. Everybody saying that we're taking quamps this year, quiz and champs, you know, it's a good vibe, good feeling, good support, crazy energy, all right? Thanks.
Awesome, so tell me a little bit about the quiz team. Are you guys supportive of them? Do you see them taking home the championships this year?
Well, I see it's inevitable for Kingston College to take the championship this year, because this is one of Kingston College's strongest quiz team I've ever seen. Well, since I've been to Kingston College, and I have a strong feeling that this Kingston College team will take it.
Tell me, what would it mean to you and the school community to take it home during the 50th anniversary season of Schools Challenge?
Massive, you know, KC, I'd say we're trendsetters in various ways, and we always like to be the first for a number of things. So I suppose taking it home for the 50th this year, it would be just great. You know, it's been a great year for us so far. We took home Manning Cup. You know, we have champs coming up. That will be a very interesting encounter. And we have quiz. My wish or my hope is that we take home everything. And so I know the school committee is rooting for our quiz team. In fact, I think their members might be looking forward to quiz and they're looking forward to champs, yes, because they just want to see our quiz team do well. I think the guys will do it. They have what it takes, and it's going to be a massive thing for the community. In fact, people already told me that after the finals and after we've won, I need to declare a public holiday for the school the day after. But no, work goes on, so that won't happen.
Okay.
All we can say is that we just keep the 40 spirit strong and work together as a team. And that is how we should.
I would just like to say 40s, cadere, sedere, non-potes. 40s, cadere, sedere, non-potes. 40s, cadere, sedere, non-potes.
Yes, you know.
40s, cadere, sedere, non-potes. Sorry, no, just... So that's my school, like it's
you're immaculate. Remember that.
We take a quick break on SCQ Access preview show soon come.